All right, this is the video for number 5. We are going to again start by taking the derivative of both sides with respect to x. So on the left-hand side, I have derivative of sine of y. Remember, this is going to be the chain rule. So the first thing I'm going to do is take the derivative of the outside. So sine, oh, my bad, sorry. I don't know how that did that. Okay. First thing I'm going to do is take the derivative of my outside. Sine goes to cosine. Now, and then leave 3y the same. I did not take the derivative of a y yet. All I did was take sine, went to cosine. So I don't add dy over dx yet. Now I multiply, since I left 3y the same, I have to multiply by the derivative of 3y to compensate, which is 3. Now, since I took the derivative of a y, I'm going to multiply by dy over dx. So all of that is just the derivative of sine of 3y equals. Derivative of x is just 1 plus the derivative of y is 1, but since it's a y, I have to multiply by dy over dx. Generally, I don't put that 1, so I automatically just put dy over dx. And then derivative of negative 1 is 0. Okay, so let's go ahead and look for all the terms. I have this is one whole term on the left since it's multiplication. If this was a plus, I would have 2 terms. It's multiplication because it's the chain rule. And then I have a dy over dx term on the right. Our goal is to get all those terms to the left, so I'm just going to move this dy over dx over to the left. And I'm also going to move this 3 right in front. So it's 3 cosine of 3y dy over dx. That was my original first term. Now this dy over dx becomes negative because I'm switching the sides of the equal sign. It's going to equal positive 1. All right, to start solving for dy over dx, you're going to factor it out. And I am left with 3 cosine of 3y minus, don't forget, if I took out dy over dx, I'm left with minus 1 is equal to 1. Last up, solve it. So you're going to divide by 3 cosine of 3y minus 1, and whatever you do to the right, you got it to the left. Okay, now let's check to see if we can simplify. Again, we will never check to see if we can simplify this cosine of 3y. They come together. But if you notice, I have a 1, a 3, and a negative 1, so everything is already simplified. So my derivative is equal to 1 over 3 cosine of 3y minus 1.